I deleted Instagram from my phone. Not only because I was wasting a lot of time on the reels, but I started getting attracted to their targeted advertisements. And I've come to realize that I'm a sucker for all these new products in the market. I got introduced to Ridge, the wallet, their rings, and their watch through Instagram. I recently bought the Nod balm based perfume. I've also purchased the Efficana productivity timer, it's still on the way. And this is the Omni laptop sleeve, which folds into half magnetically and looks like an excellent organizer for all your electronics. Let me quickly unbox this and see if it is worth it. It came from China. I ordered it on their website for $70. So let's unbox. That looks very small. I don't know how big of a laptop it's going to hold. It's already magnetically attached, so this is how it folds. So even on the plastic cover, the magnets are working. Okay, that's the name of the bag, the brand Omni. Laptop sleeve plus organizer. Transform, break free. Keeps you organized, declutter your workspace, streamline your carry. Okay. So first thing first, let me try to keep my laptop inside. There's enough cushioning and definitely looks premium. The stitching is also great. Let me try both 13-inch MacBook Air and 14-inch MacBook Pro. So this is my 13-inch MacBook Air with the case, and that goes in fine. There's still enough space. I'm sure it will also hold bigger laptops. So let me quickly try the MacBook Pro. Here is the 14-inch Pro, again with the case. And that also goes in fine. So looks like it'll also hold 15-inch laptop because I can still see that there is enough space for a bigger laptop. So that way, this is really good. And then you have two sleeves here. And the best part is this folds and there's magnet here as well. So let's look at it once I remove the laptop. So these are some of the things that I would want to carry. AirPods, my Samsung T7 SSD, my wallet, the Ridge wallet that I was talking about, an Anker wireless charger or power bank, another power bank, cable for the SSD, a pen, Apple AirTag with Ridge case, 25,000 mAh U green power bank with 3 cables. There are 2 USB-C cables and one Apple Watch charger. And let's say I want to carry my phone as well. So let me try to put all these things inside while the laptop is still sitting in the bag. So they're really nice pouches inside. So if you see, there's a zip as well. The 2 compartments. So maybe I can put my AirPods in one. Let's say the AirTag in another one. Okay, and there are further compartments here. There are 3 compartments here. One of the power banks and the Anker one here. It's too tight, but let me give it a try. It does go in. There's one big compartment here, so let me see if I can put the if I can put the bigger power bank. Yes. So I've already put in a lot of stuff here. So let me close this and see the other pouch. And it's a similar pouch with similar compartments. There's no difference. So I'll try and probably put my pen here. Okay, that goes in well. This is my wallet. Okay, and the Samsung SSD can fit in here. Let me see, where do I put my phone? Or I can remove this wallet, put it here, and the phone can probably go here. Yes, I still have another pouch here actually, so I can put them all here. Okay, that's fine. I'm being stupid here because I'm trying to fill in everything while the laptop is still inside the bag. So let me now remove the laptop and let's see how it converts into a real good organizer. Yeah, so I'll zip this up, remove the laptop. So this is where the magic happens. So you've got magnets there, and this is gotten converted into a very nice handy organizer. So I have all my stuff here already filled in. So now it's even more easier to fill things up. Yeah. Let me see if I put the cable here in the center. So I've managed to put all the stuff that I had or wanted to keep in this bag, and this is where I have the other stuff. So this is how it becomes even more easier. So while you're at your desk with your laptop and you want to have all your other EDC stuff in a bag like this, then it becomes easier to take things out as well. So if I want my AirPods, and they're easily sitting here, and I can put them back in. So it's an excellent organizer, and I'm already in love with it. I think it's definitely worth the money and the weight, and I especially like the magnets here. Very thoughtful to keep things easily accessible, right? So you can have your pouch open up like this on both the sides. So if I close it, now try to put the laptop in. Let's see what happens. Again, taking the bigger laptop, which is the Pro 14-inch. That went in fine, and the zips are also of excellent quality. There, it was struggling a little, but still okay. So I have everything in there in a very compact, handy bag. One drawback is there is no way to actually hold the bag itself, so that isn't very cool. So you'll have to always hold it like this, or like this, or under your shoulder like this. But yeah, I wish they had kept a separate handle for the bag itself, but that's not there. This I love. This is excellent. It's beautifully designed, and it's easier to carry as well. But yeah, without the laptop. So there you go. This is the Omni laptop sleeve. A thumbs up from me. Definitely go for it if you want to have things organized on your desk. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just forget it. You know what you got to do. Bye bye.